What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Budget Rebuilds. Today we're back on, what is this, chargrilled? What are we calling this bike?
Chargrilled.
Chargrilled.
Or by request, Christine.
Oh, Christine, because it's supposed to come back together. We'll see how that goes. Honestly, number one, this is Softail. Never had one apart, so I don't know what I'm doing. Number two, I really don't know where to begin because everything's just so bad. I think my goals, obviously the ultimate goal right now is just to get it down to the bare frame because we're still waiting on a parts bike for all the rest of the stuff because almost nothing on this thing's usable. I feel like the motor's probably still good, but we're not going to chance it. So I guess the goal right now is go ahead and get what's left of the battery and the harness out of the way so we can get this oil tank out. And I'm going to go ahead and snatch off the exhaust. I'm going to leave the front end on it, I think, for right now, because I want it to still be able to roll. So I think what I'm going to do is try to get all that stuff off, get it tore down as much as I can, then maybe take it off the lift, lay it over on its side, take the motor loose, and I'm thinking the motor and transmission will all come out as one thing. And that way then we can get the frame apart and get it cleaned up and powder coated or whatever it is that we're going to do with it. So this is about, believe it or not, 30 or 40 minutes worth of cutting wires and trying to get down through stuff. I don't really know if I got anywhere, but I'm going to continue on with that, try to get it out, and then get the oil tank out. Let's get started. Woo. Go ahead and take that out and see what comes loose. It looks like it's got two bolts going right through there, but I don't know how to get to them. Is that metal or? So right now I'm trying to get this burnt plastic piece out of my way so I can get to the back two bolts that hold this oil tank on. It's gonna be easier once I get this swing arm off, but I don't know how to do that. We'll come back to that. I guess we'll go ahead and start working on getting the exhaust off and go from there. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and get the heat shields off first and then take off the bolts, obviously. Alright, I'm going to hit these with a little bit of PB Blast because they probably got pretty hot on top of being exhaust nuts, so they may be stuck on there pretty good. If they are, we all know I'm not scared to hacksaw them off, so, or sawzall them off, whatever I did last time. Oh, I bet that brought the whole stud with it. Doesn't matter because we're not using this motor. It's hot. That one did bring the stud with it. Alright, I got all the exhaust nuts loose. I'm going to go ahead and try to get this exhaust pulled off of here. Come on. Well, it ain't going smooth, Mel. I might have to separate these two pipes. I think that's what I'm gonna have to do. Now maybe they'll come apart. No. Why are they not coming apart?
Oh, come on, muscle up.
No, you're right.
Oh, God.
Not damn jerked it off the lift.
Don't muscle it up that much.
No. I think this damn floorboard's gonna come off of here. Damn, man. Dude. Get pissed. I wonder if I get the heat shield off, it'll slide out of there.
Let me just see. Is it hitting on? It's not hitting on that.
Oh my goodness. I think I'm gonna pull the back wheel off temporarily, get this plastic thing out of my way, get the oil tank out of the way, and see what I'm working with back here as far as mounts and stuff goes, because I have no idea. That's what we're gonna do. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and loosen up these adjusters and then knock the axle out. Take the weight off this back wheel, or put some weight on the back of this wheel so hopefully the axle will slide out a little bit easier. There we go. Maybe not. Dang, thing's in there, yo. Hey, now we can see some stuff. All right. I feel like stuff on these Softails is like packed in way tighter than on a touring bike. Like stuff's harder to get to. Oh, duh. That unbolts. And I just can't see it because it's covered up with burnt stuff. Somebody watching this is like, you idiot, there's bolts underneath there. That's how it comes off. Go ahead and cut the wires, go into the motor, get it where it's ready to come out, and then we'll go ahead and slap the back wheel on it and see where we're at from there. That way then we can roll it off the lift to get the engine and transmission out. I have this other wheel here. I'm just going to use it because it's not flat and it actually rolls. Alright, I feel like we're at a pretty good stopping point right now. We got a back wheel on it so we can roll it back and forth. Keep up with us on the next episode. We're going to go ahead and get the bike off and take off all the mounts and try to get out the whole engine and transmission one piece. And we'll go ahead and knock out the front end, get it off too, so we can get the frame cleaned up and figure out what we're going to do with it to make it look like new again. Please like, subscribe, and share. Please hit the notifications bell too so you know when we post our next video. Thank you very much.